Grok versus ChatGPT, two popular AI tools. Both smart, both useful, but also really different. One is the new kid from Elon Musk's team, and the other has been around helping people write, plan, and create for a while now. So which one is actually better for you? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Hey everyone, welcome back to AppSolute, your go-to spot for tech tips, smart tools, and everything digital. And in this video, we're breaking down the key differences between Grok and ChatGPT in a way that actually makes sense. In this video, you'll find out what makes Grok and ChatGPT different, which one's easier to use, what they're actually good at with real examples, and of course, which one gives you the most value for your time and money. So if you've been thinking about using AI to help with work, school, content, or just day-to-day stuff, stick around. This one's for you. What are Grok and ChatGPT? All right, let's start with the basics. What are these tools? Really? ChatGPT is the more popular one. It's made by OpenAI and has been around for a while. You can use it on your phone, your laptop, and even inside apps like Microsoft Word and Excel. It helps with things like writing, planning, brainstorming, coding, and a bunch more. Grok, on the other hand, is the new AI chatbot from Elon Musk's company, XAI. You'll only find it on the X app, that's Twitter, by the way, and you have to be on the premium plan to use the best of it. Now, here's the difference. ChatGPT feels more like a super helpful assistant, polite, organized, and really good at giving clear answers. Grok is more casual and kind of sassy. It's built to sound a bit more like a real person, sometimes even throwing in jokes or sarcasm. How you use them. Let's talk about how easy it is to actually use these tools. ChatGPT is super simple. You just head to the website or grab the app on your phone, and boom, you're in. If you want the fancy features, like image generation or advanced tools, you can upgrade to the paid version, but the free one still does a lot. Grok, on the other hand, lives inside the X app. Yep, the platform we used to call Twitter. Now, for a while, people thought you had to pay for premium to use Grok. But here's the thing, you don't necessarily have to pay to use it anymore. X has started giving access to more people, even on lower tier plans, or sometimes even free accounts, depending on the rollout. But just a heads up, Grok is only available inside X. So if you're not really active there, it might feel a little out of the way compared to ChatGPT, which is pretty much everywhere. What they're best at. Real life examples. All right, so let's get into the juicy part. What can these tools actually do for you in everyday life? Writing and content creation. Let's say you're a student, a content creator, or maybe you just want help writing emails that don't sound like a robot type them. ChatGPT absolutely shines here. You can tell it, hey, write me a video script about AI, or help me write a birthday message that doesn't sound dry. And it just gets it right. Super clean, super fast, super helpful. Now, Grok, it's kind of like your friend who's a little sarcastic but still smart. So if you want a caption that's funny or a tweet that sounds casual and current, Grok might be your go-to. It's especially good at picking up what's trending on X and adding a little flair to it. So think of it like this. ChatGPT is your thoughtful assistant. Grok is your internet-savvy friend who just read 3 memes before replying. Research and learning stuff. Let's say you're trying to understand something complex, like how does cryptocurrency work? Or what's the deal with climate change? ChatGPT breaks it down beautifully. Like, you'll go from confused to, okay, I get it now, in seconds. You can even say, explain it to me like I'm 5, and it will. Grok? It's quicker with current news, especially things happening right now on X. So if something's trending or there's breaking news, Grok will give you a quick lowdown. But if you ask Grok to explain something deeply academic or super technical, it might give a more surface-level answer or throw in a joke, whether you ask for it or not. Coding, tech help. This one's for my fellow nerds. ChatGPT, especially the paid version, GPT-4 is incredible for coding. You can drop in a block of code, say, hey, what's wrong with this? And it'll help debug. You can even ask it to build you a simple app or website layout. Grok can do some coding too, but it's not really its strong suit. If you're just playing around or need something super basic, it's fine. But for anything more serious, you'll probably want ChatGPT. Social media, content ideas. Now this is where Grok can be fun. If you're active on X and want help replying to a trending post, or you want to sound clever in 280 characters, Grok gives you that spicy, internet-style voice. But if you're planning a whole month of content across Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok, ChatGPT wins. It can give you ideas, write your captions, suggest hooks, and even plan your content calendar. Like, it's low-key a content strategist. All right, let's talk about money. Understanding the pricing and value of these AI tools can help you make the best choice for your needs. ChatGPT. ChatGPT offers a free version that provides access to GPT 3.5, which is still pretty impressive. However, if you're looking for enhanced features, faster response times, and access to the latest models like GPT-4, you might consider upgrading to ChatGPT Plus. This subscription costs $20 per month and includes benefits such as priority access during peak times and early access to new features. Additionally, OpenAI has recently offered free 2-month ChatGPT Plus subscriptions to students in the US and Canada to assist with final exam preparations, showcasing their commitment to accessibility. Grok. Grok, developed by Elon Musk's xAI, initially required a premium subscription for full access, priced at $40 per month. This tier offered advanced features like priority access to the latest AI models, higher usage limits, and early access to new functionalities. However, recognizing the importance of accessibility, xAI has made significant changes. As of last month, Grok 3 is available for free to all X users, removing the previous subscription barrier. This means that anyone using X can now access Grok's capabilities without any additional cost, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of users. Comparative value. So, how do these offerings compare? Cost. ChatGPT's free tier is limited to GPT 3.5, with GPT-4 access requiring a 20 monthly subscription. Grok, on the other hand, Grok 3 is now available to premium and premium subscribers on both Point and Grok.co. Premium users gain immediate access to advanced features like Think and Deep Search. Grok 3 capabilities are being gradually rolled out to all users with usage limits, while premium subscribers enjoy higher limits and additional advanced features. Features. ChatGPT Plus subscribers benefit from features like priority access during peak times and early access to new functionalities. Grok offers real-time knowledge, integration, and a unique conversational AI experience, accessible to all users without any premium tier. User base. ChatGPT's subscription model caters to users seeking advanced AI capabilities and willing to invest in enhanced features. Grok's free access appeals to a broader audience, including casual users and those active on X. Ultimately, the choice between ChatGPT and Grok depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're seeking advanced AI features and don't mind a subscription fee, ChatGPT Plus might be the way to go. However, if you prefer a free, accessible AI tool integrated within the X platform, Grok offers a compelling option. All right, let's talk about the vibe each of these AI chatbots brings to the table. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like that super reliable friend who's always there with the right information. It's polite, professional, and sticks to the facts. Whether you're drafting an email, researching a topic, or need help with structured problem solving, ChatGPT delivers responses that are clear and to the point. It's the go-to for tasks that require accuracy and a formal tone. Grok. Now, Grok is a different story. Imagine a buddy who's always ready with a witty remark or a cheeky comment. Grok's got a humorous and rebellious streak, making interactions feel more lively and engaging. It's not afraid to tackle controversial topics with a bit of sass, offering responses that are direct and sometimes edgy. If you're looking for real-time insights with a side of humor, Grok's your guy. Comparative vibe. So, how do they stack up? Personality. ChatGPT maintains a consistent professional demeanor, making it ideal for formal tasks. Grok, with its unfiltered and edgy personality, adds a splash of humor and boldness to conversations. Tone. ChatGPT's responses are structured and polished, suitable for detailed and accurate content generation. Grok's tone is more conversational and spirited, perfect for users seeking a more dynamic interaction. Ultimately, your choice depends on what you're after. Need a dependable assistant for professional tasks? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want an AI companion with a bit more flair and humor? Grok's ready to chat. ChatGPT and Grok now offer free image generation, which is great news for all. Both ChatGPT and Grok have added image generation to their features, making it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. ChatGPT's image feature. ChatGPT now lets you create images just by describing what you have in mind. This feature is powered by the advanced GPT-4o model and is available to everyone for free. You can generate up to 3 images per day without any cost. Grok's Aurora model. Grok has introduced Aurora, a new model that creates high-quality, realistic images based on your descriptions. If you're designing detailed artwork or fun memes, Grok makes it simple. This feature is part of the X platform, offering a smooth experience for users. With these new tools, your imagination is the only limit. If you're a content creator, designer, or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, ChatGPT and Grok provide powerful platforms to express yourself. Start creating today. Your next masterpiece is just a description away. All right, now I want to hear from you. Are you Team Grok or Team ChatGPT? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love fun and easy tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.